1907. The American frontier had officially been closed some 17 years prior, but the territory of Arizona was still very much a vast and hostile wilderness. In the tradition of an earlier generation of frontier lawmen, the Arizona Rangers, created in 1901, continued to battle lawlessness throughout the territory. Lieutenant Harry Wheeler, stationed in Wilcox, has just arrived in the railroad town of Benson, Arizona, to meet with his captain, Thomas Riley. Wheeler, however, is about to get involved in one of the last great gunfights of the Old West, when a volatile love triangle explodes into violence.
Oh, where you going, you dolt?
Yeah, pardon me, fella.
What's the matter? A road ain't wide enough for the two of us?
Mister, I can tell you've been drinking, but that mouth of yours is gonna get you into a heap of trouble. Is this your photo?
Hey, just gonna look into that. Ain't none of your business to be looking at that.
Is she your wife?
Yeah, something like that. Why, you've seen her?
I'd say I have. I just arrived in town myself.
Well, then you're no good for nothing, then, are you? It don't matter, I'll find her in Silverton.
And just what do you plan on doing once you find her? And who is this Silverton fella?
W. Silverton. He's a no-good, lousy scoundrel and a thief.
A thief, huh? Wait, steal from you.
You stole her.
By looks of you, I wouldn't be surprised.
Hey, what you say to me?
Get your hands off me, you gutter trash.
You don't know me! You're just sticking your nose in my business like you know me! Alright, I will cut you down quicker than you...
Quicker than I can what? You're drunk. That's all I need to know. Why don't you just crawl into some hole somewhere and sleep it off?
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, Captain Riley sent for me.
And you are?
Lieutenant Harry Wheeler?
Mr. Wheeler, we've been expecting you.
Oh,
Mr. Silverton, on your way to Bisbee already?
Not quite yet, Eduardo. Want to go upstairs packing some of the things?
excuse me, Silverton? As in D.W. Silverton?
That's correct.
Harry Wheeler, the Arizona Rangers.
What you need?
I just passed by someone who says he's looking for you. Recognize him?
Oh. Yeah, that's Jay Tracy. We had a run-in with him at Bell Station yesterday. He just followed us here.
Tracy, the name sounds familiar.
He's an agent for the Haitian colony.
Oh, man. Still. Anyway, what does he want with you?
He's also my wife's estranged ex-husband.
I see. Figures much.
Well, do you have to know if you want?
Well, other than that bottle of whiskey, I don't know.
Well, me and my wife do have a train to catch. Do you have any plans?
Just one. You're gonna have to trust me.
Wheeler knew there was only one way to determine if Tracy was indeed armed. He explained his plan to Silverton and checked him for any concealed weapons. Then both men stepped out, and the trap was set.
Hey! You think I just stand aside and let you take her from me?
I didn't take her from you, Tracy. She left you on your own accord.
You shut your mouth! Well, it don't matter. That's all past now, right? Now, I just as soon as see both of you dead.
Hold it right there, Tracy. Let her rip. Drop that gun. insurance but I'm fine now!
Yeah, sorry, Ranger. I'm gonna play that count 2 people late. Guess last time I get 3.
Tracy, more you surrender!
Move your hands! I will not! I'm going to jail!
Tracy, there's only one other way out of this, and I don't recommend it.
Is that right, Ranger? Well, not unless I kill you first, Trace! Come on, I'm not gonna zip it. Just a kid within your goddamn Ranger. Yeah.
It's over! It's over.
Let me see if I can find the doctor to tend to those wounds. Take this. No.
Give it to him. He's gonna need a lot more than I do. Now I believe you and your wife have a train to catch. Don't worry about him. I'll turn him over to the marshal. You take care of him here.
Much obliged, Lieutenant.
Oh, you couldn't play it well last night, Tracy? I guess you did, Ranger.
Tracy requested he be sent to a Tucson hospital. He was placed on a cot aboard the train's baggage car. 10 miles into the trip, he died. His final words were, "There's a woman in the case." While recovering in a Tombstone hospital, Harry Wheeler learned that Tracy had been wanted for 2 separate murders in Nevada, one of which was the brother of former Ranger Dick Hickey, who became Justice of the Peace of Pinal County. Later that same year, Wheeler would become the 3rd and final captain of the Rangers. 1909, however, brought political demise, and on March 25th, the last of the legendary Arizona Rangers, Captain Harry C. Wheeler, left his post. Ladies and gentlemen, the actors of Old Tucson.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed our show, Racing on the Railway. Unfortunately, this is our last show, but whether you have many miles of travel or just a few, we'll be making safe once again. Come back again to Old Tucson. This is where a spirit of the Old West comes alive.